This Bosch is a 12 inches dual-bevel glide miter saw that features a smooth cutting motion, accurate performance, and a space-saving design of the Bosch-exclusive Axial-Glide System. Pre-aligned square lock fences help the saw maintain precision throughout its life. A soft grip ambidextrous handle along with a combination dust chute and vacuum adapter add to user comfort. The saw also offers a large cutting capacity, easy-to-read bevel and miter scales with detents at common angles, and easy access upfront controls. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Compact cutting. Featuring a Bosch-exclusive Axial-Glide System for durable precision, complete control, and compact workspaces. Number 2. Precise control. High-precision square-lock quick-release fence aligns fence 90 degrees to saw's table and requires no adjustment. One-touch lock, unlock to slide fence for added support. Number 3. Versatile saw. With a 14 inches expanded horizontal cutting capacity, 6/2 inches vertical capacity, and a 6/2 inches crown capacity 45-degree spring, this miter saw is perfect for any variety of cuts. Number 4. Adjustable. The saw provides easy adjustments with a large, easy-to-read uniform bevel and stainless steel miter scales with marked detents and roof pitch angles. Number 5. Axial Glide System. The patented glide system allows wider crosscuts and better alignment while also being compact. This saves you 12 inches of valuable workspace. The Bosch Glide Miter Saw also offers unmatched smoothness of cut. Number 6. Ease of use. Upfront bevel controls. All-metal bevel lock lever and range selector located upfront for quick and easy bevel settings without reaching behind the saw. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.